Let's talk about force and motion. There is so many fun hands-on things you can do with force and motion. You're going to get a really cool Hot Wheels track. It's called a blue starter track, and it has so many uses. We're actually going to use it for force and motion and with our magnet unit. But first I'm going to show you the force and motion demonstration. You're also going to get little Hot Wheel cars. The kids love to bring in their own too if you want to try that. So let's take a pause. Okay, so this starter track, this blue starter track, has 2 lanes in it. So for a while you can just have them testing to see how far their cars go. Now these cars are a little flimsy, but we're going to try them anyway. And you can bring some math in it. You can measure to see what happens. You may have to do some maneuvering with your track. But this is when you're going to start talking about friction, and you're going to need some sand. And it would be nice if you could have just one lane to have sand on it. And we're going to see with which car, which goes, which one stops. And we'll make predictions, of course, do all that. So when you bring the cars up here, the one with the sand, the car should either stop or slow down. So I'm going to make the track shorter for it to go better. All right, so this is when you're going to be talking about friction. So you'll start the cars, both cars at the same spot, and you'll see one of the lanes has sand in it, which will cause it to stop or slow down. Let's test it out. Okay, so did you see how the sand stopped that? You can also test it with sandpaper, aluminum foil, and this is when you would also add soapy water. You could add soapy water to the track, and that would cause lubrication which would cause the car to slip and slide probably farther. So this is a great track to use for force and motion and magnets, and especially indoor recess.